In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can use the VDB function in Excel, which is the variable declining balance function that will select either the double declining balance or straight line depreciation, whichever one will produce the highest amount of depreciation based on the criteria that you give the function. So to use the function, do equals VDB, open parentheses, and the first argument is the cost. So how much does this item cost? In this example, it is $10,000. Comma salvage value. So how much value is left after the item is fully depreciated? In this example, it is $500. Comma life. So how many periods is this object going to be useful for? In this example, I'm going to say 120 periods, which is 10 years in months. And then I'm going to calculate the depreciation over a specified number of periods, which is going to be between the first and the third period. And by default, Excel will go ahead and flip between either the straight line depreciation method or the double declining balance method to figure out which one will give you the most amount of depreciation. And in this example, it would be the double declining balance method, which would give you $320 of depreciation. But note, this function does have a couple optional arguments that you can use, being the factor. So you can have one to default to straight line depreciation, which would be $165, or two to be the double declining balance method, which is $325 as shown right here. So factor, one straight line depreciation, two double declining balance. And the last argument is no switch. So one is true, which would do not switch from straight line depreciation, or false to switch to straight line depreciation. So I type in false right here. It does not switch to that. Type in true. It does not switch either, as the double declining balance method is the method that will give me the most depreciation. This example. So as I said, I hope you found this to be helpful. I hope this will help you calculate depreciation more effectively. If it does, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.